KidWind set, ready to go. I've got my wires here, and from the KidWind set there are some alligator clips. So I've pulled these alligator clips and I'm now using those. Hook them into the end of the wires. Red goes to red, black goes to black. And then I have taken those and hooked them up to my multimeter. My multimeter looks a little bit different than yours, but it still is going to work the same. Alright, so you want to plug your red wire into the very right side if it's not, and then the black wire into the middle. And then we're going to turn our dial to, see it says V right there, okay, and we're going to turn it to 2, just the number 2. I've got my fan going at the highest speed possible, not a whole lot. Got about 4 volts here, 4.2. Alright, so you should be able to get a reading with the blades that you have. Now my pitch right now is very shallow. Okay, what you want to do is to try it shallow, try it at medium, and try it at high pitch. Okay, so again, remember our high pitch is going to look like this. Okay, now notice that none of my blades are really facing towards each other. For example, I look at that, and I turn it. Looks the same as that. Looks the same as that. Now all 3 of them are the same. And go back, do another test. And I'm getting 3.3 volts. And then I'm going to put all that on my data sheet. Go ahead and get your cup. All right. Should already have the string through it. And what we're going to do is we're going to take the generator out of the equation here. And then we're going to loosen up our wing nuts. We're just going to bring out this generator. And now go ahead and take that green piece off. And you're going to put it onto this wooden piece. Okay, so I've already got one there. Go ahead and put yours in it. And you're not going to put the other one on. Go ahead and put this on your nacelle where the big gear used to be. On this back side, you can now put your other piece. Okay, so now what I've got, my cup. The cup has a mass. We can take our blades, and right off the bat here, we can just test this out. About 6 inches off the floor. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and measure how many grams our cup is. So our cup is 31 grams. One washer is 17 grams. With that information, we should be able to test out the different styles of blade and be able to work out how much work our blades in our nacelle actually have done.